And that's because to help fight summer brain drain and make this your least boring summer ever, by popular demand, we're bringing back Camp Crunch Lab. And this year, not only have we triple reinforced the roof, but we've also added the Fort Nuts Treehouse. Now, just like last year, it's a 12-week virtual summer camp featuring all new, way bigger mega experiments that I do that look sort of like this, and then super challenges you do at home that look sort of like this. And the best at-home super challenge submission of the whole summer gets a platinum ticket to come out right here with me to be in the 12th and final summer episode.